Umentri rangba ke jelau kanrat ki sangma ulai thu ba ke jingjrong ki khapot ke Meghalaya bat Assam kalong hadu praspa prapisau pon arpisau kilometer bat kidan hadu khat artli ki jaka ba ya kaja hadu menta hasilinter ki khapot ya gani menteri rangba ulai thu haba jubab ya ke jingkli bala wanra du MLA ke mauplang uba sentar klasun haba jubab shishu menteri rangba ulong ba kajingya kaja khapot kade ke blak slam nadu blak yo yala kejong ke jela na kaliang UMLA ke NCP usaleng e sangma ula kenturu ya sarkar ban khmi ru syaki khapot badan Shagar Hills namar house nam baladep ru kladan kajingya kaja hagi jaka khapot baka Assam kadban kaliang UMLA ka Congress uzenet em sangma ula ethu baha uslam khat khandai spa khandai puar kladan kajingya kaja khapot Shagar Hills hakaba kladan ru kajing khi persha deki kenhon bat seng balang baru kentu ya sarkar badai banbu jingtipru yakum kini jingja.
I've gone through the statement, sir, and I have seen it that most of the incidents are very recent. So, in this situation, may I know from the Honorable Chief Minister whether it would be fair to construe that the boundary between Meghalaya and Assam was already considered, settled and defined when the then first government of the new formed state of Meghalaya had accepted both the Assam Reorganization Meghalaya Act 1969 and the Northeastern Areas Reorganization Act 1971.
Sir, I think the matter of dispute has already been very, very clearly stated by not just this government but even the past governments. And therefore, these kind of complications are coming out. And we are also in talks with our counterparts in Assam to find a solution to this issue. But so the dispute still remains in 12 locations that have been, which I think the Honourable Member also knows, sir.
Sir, if that is the case, then was this dispute is right from the day one of the new formed state?
Yes, sir.
Sir, may I know then from the Honourable Minister what are the 12 areas of differences and the corresponding size of the 12 disputed areas?
So the areas of differences are there. I'll just have to go through. Sir, I don't have the exact information right now with me, but I'll provide it to the Honourable Member, sir, and I can place it on the table of the House, sir.
Then may I know from the Honourable Chief Minister, sir, how many times the two Chief Ministers between Meghalaya and Assam have met to resolve the issues right from the start till date?
So that information I don't have with me right now, sir, but I can provide it to the Honourable Member.
Okay then, sir. Then will be all right if the information is table in the House, but the information should contain the 12 areas of differences, the size of the disputed areas, and the contention by the Meghalaya government that the land belonged to the Meghalaya. Then, along with the dates where the meetings were held at the level of Chief Minister, Chief Secretary to resolve the issue, sir.
So I will do that, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Since this is about the boundary, I would like to know from the Honourable Chief Minister, even in Garo Hills, this conflict has started erupting last year only. So may I know in these 12 areas whether the Garo Hills is included or not? Recently last year, when I was in Garo Hills, one of the magistrates was sent to Tikri-Kila side because the Assam people, they started building their house in that Garo Hills District Council's forest land. So whether in this 12 area, whether the Garo Hills is included or not?
So as I said, the areas of differences, the detailed list is not here with me as of now. So I will be happy to provide it to the Honourable Member. The list is not with me as of now, and I think at this point in time, I would not, on a sensitive subject like this, I would not want to say something without all the detailed facts with me, sir.
Anyway, by chance if it is not there, I don't feel like it might be there because it was recently erupted last year only. So if it is not there, I would like to request the Honorable Chief Minister to look into the matter seriously, because all those Assam people who are encroaching right now, they have started building their houses. So if that can be look into the matter seriously at the earliest, because it has started just recently only, because this boundary issue were not there in Garo Hills. If it is there started, I think if it can be taken seriously. Anyway, thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.